If I can just illustrate that with a quick story, there's a friend of mine who went to do a project over in Japan once. And he was given a desk in a typical Japanese office with a cluster of desks in the middle, and his desk was over onto the side. So I happened to be in Japan at the same time, and we met over the weekend after his first week there. And I asked him how it was going. He said, "Oh, it's going terribly. They hate me." "What do you mean?" "Well, not a single one of those people has come over to introduce themselves or ask me how I'm enjoying it or even so much as say hello." And I said to him, "Well, that sounds a little unusual to me. Most Japanese offices are pretty social places." He said, "Yeah, but I don't understand it." Then I said to him, "Well, has your manager introduced you around?" He said, "Well, no, but why should it make a difference? I mean, we're all in the same room." I just suggested to him that maybe he could have the manager go around and introduce him. Sure enough, the following weekend, I called him to see if we could get together, and he said, "No, I'm going to be going out with my colleagues from work this week." And sometimes it's something as simple as that.